Hi first graders, I'm here to do math lesson 8-8. We did skip 8-7. It was another exploration lesson in the classroom where we would need lots of materials for. So we're moving on to the next important lesson, which is 8-8. And 8-8 is about telling time again, and now we're talking about telling time to the half hour. If you attended the Zoom last Wednesday, you brought your clocks, and we actually talked a little bit about this already, so you might be ahead of the game a little. But I just want to start by showing you this clock Miss Lumsden drew. And I split it in half, and I want you to think how much time goes by in half of our clock. How many minutes? So you know our whole clock shows us 60 minutes. So if we only went half, what would be half of 60? And if you know your doubles facts, 3 plus 3, you can add those zeros. So then you know 30 plus 30 equals 60. So that means when half of our clock, when we get down to the 6 and we're halfway around, you've gone 30 minutes. That means you're halfway through the hour, which means we call it a half hour. It kind of goes with what we've been learning about halves and fours. Like that makes fourths. That makes a lot of sense that when we've gone halfway around our clock, we call it a half hour. It's been half of the minutes that go in a whole hour, which is 30 minutes. So every time we write the minutes that have gone by, when our minute hand is at the 6, it's 30 minutes. And remember, we talked in the Zoom too in our lesson last week about counting the minutes, and the trick is knowing to count by 5. So let's make sure it's right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you know 30 minutes is going to be your minute hand. Your long hand will always be down at the 6. So right now my clock is saying that it's 7:30. It's almost to 8, but remember anything in between here is 7. So it's 7:30 right now. Okay? I'm going to show you a couple more. I'm just going to keep going, so we'll see. And right now it's 7:30. If we go up here, we're at 10:30. Try over here. It's 12:30. 2:30. 4:30. Okay, so remember all the time when our minute hand is to the bottom, the matching digital clock will say 30 because it's been 30 minutes. That means it's been a half hour. So when people say about a half hour, they're saying 30 minutes. That's exactly what a half hour is, 30 minutes. You can kind of think things that take 30 minutes is like a TV show, or let's see, what else? At school, your lunch and recess was 30 minutes. Trying to think of things like a half hour. Maybe sometimes you do, I know that'd be a very short sports practice if it was only a half hour. You probably do a whole hour when you go to basketball or soccer or something like that. So that would only be half of it. So 30 minutes, half hour, the minute hand is pointed at the 6 for 30 minutes. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.